Hey everyone, so in this video I just wanted to show you really quickly how you can change the accessibility focus color. So as you can see here, I've got the Articulate Storyline Modern Player in the light version. So the default focus color is yellow, not such a big deal with the dark Modern Player, but as you can see when I tab, the yellow focus of the seek bar has highlighted the little focus box, and it's yellow, so very hard to see on a white background. So let's just change that. So we're going to go into Storyline. All you have to do is go into Player and then Color and Effects. And so here you'll see the accessibility focus color. And we can change it to, I'm going to change it to maybe a blue. And then, okay, now when we publish this, so as you can see here, when we use the tab now, it's going to be a dark blue focus color.